Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're going to talk about arm circles here on your small barrel.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So arm circles in the small barrel is one of the most amazing things you can do for your body. Truly, one of the best posture improvers is going to be the barrels in general. There's the small barrel, the spine corrector, and the ladder barrel. The arc of the spine corrector and ladder barrel should be the same. If yours are not, then you're definitely going to want to explore using your ladder barrel for bigger back bends. But the small barrel, as you can see, it's a little bit more accessible if you are new to back bending or you're a more fun-sized person. I included the small barrel in the barrels flashcard deck because I really wanted people to have a visual for the same exercises that are on the spine corrector and ladder barrel, but on a smaller piece. I think it's really easy for us to go, oh, it's the same exercise, but on the small barrel. Yeah, but the small barrel is different from the spine corrector. The arc might be very similar. The exercise is similar, but how you set up for a lot of things is a little different. What it can look like on a body is a little different. So I wanted you to have a visual for that because I don't know about you, but I'm a visual learner. So if you're here because you have the barrels flashcards already, you're amazing. Thank you so much. And if you don't have them yet and you're interested in the barrels, get them. It's really, really amazing. It's really helpful. Again, not for just doing back bends, but for improving our posture. So the arm series has 4 exercises. There's the circles, there's the up, down, the hug, and then the reach back. They will be in separate videos. The first one you'll do is circles. You want light weights, 1 pound weights. And you'll want to set yourself up. Because of my height, for me, I'll set myself up in a place where I can get the apex kind of across my shoulder girdle or maybe a little bit on my ribs, but I need to be able to connect fully to the barrel. And you can do the knees bend, or I can move this back a little bit, and then I can do leg straight. Leg straight is going to be a little bit more challenging, a little bit more of a pull. But you lay over. If this is too deep for you, again, you can just get the shoulders at the apex. If this bothers your neck, sometimes just rolling a towel up under the neck is enough. If that's not okay, you can do a little bit of a pillow. The reason I don't want to do a lot of a pillow is I don't want you to train your head to be here. Training your head to be up here like this is actually training your head to be in that forward position with your back in a back bend. So I do want you to get it here. And if it's not able to do that yet, we might need to work you at a wall first and really work on opening up your chest. So then the arms start up over the shoulders. And then my palms are facing away from me. It's important that they stay facing the same direction the whole time. We're not going to be circling the arms around. So squeeze the legs together with a bent or straight and lower the arms down. I'm going to open out to the side and then circle. At this point, my arms will be facing up and then back down. At no point are my palms I'll show you what I don't want you to do. People will go down and then they flip the palms to circle around. You don't have to flip the palms. If you go down, you open out to the side, you pull your arms onto your back, they'll end up. You don't have to use your radius, I guess is the point, okay? You'll do about 3 to 5 circles in each direction. Really important that the arms don't just hang off the back. See, I'm hanging there. You want them to be in a working position so that as they circle, you're feeling this connected to your back. You should actually feel this kind of around in here, arms working from here and not around here. And then from there, you're actually going to transition into the up down, which I'll show in another video. You don't actually have to sit up unless you need to, unless being in a back bend is new for you and a lot of information. You might want to come up and then reset and come up and reset. So for the up down, make sure you check out the next video on that. If you have any questions on this, put in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit the notifications bell if you want more tutorials and information videos from us. And if you're an OPC member, we answer your questions in the OnlinePilatesClasses.com community app. If you are not an OPC member, you can ask a question here. We go live on Sundays answering your questions. For more information on OnlinePilatesClasses.com, go to OnlinePilatesClasses.com/YouTube. Thank you so much and have an amazing day.